Hi everyone, in honor of the 8 days of Hanukkah, we will be traveling back in time to 1918 to try to make supper from a cookbook by Florence Greenbaum, the International Jewish Cookbook. We're gonna try roast chicken, stuffing, sweet potatoes, and brown sauce. So these are the ingredients you will need: a chicken, an onion, a lemon, an egg, some breadcrumbs, ginger powder, parsley, chicken fat or schmaltz, kosher salt, black pepper, 3 large sweet potatoes, and a little bit of all-purpose flour. And it's a really simple recipe, so let's get started with the stuffing. I'm going to be peeling and then dicing an onion, and we're gonna need half of it now for the stuffing, but you could use a little more than that. I think Mrs. Greenbaum says to use half an onion, so I'm going to use half an onion. Now I'm gonna get the Jewish magic ingredient, which is chicken fat or schmaltz, and I'm gonna be putting a little bit of it into my saucepan and add the onions to it over medium fire. Saute the onions until lightly browned. Now as it sautés, I'm also adding some water to my breadcrumbs, and I'm gonna give it a quick stir just to moisten the breadcrumbs. And it's gonna go into the onion mixture, stirred nicely over the stove for about a minute or so, I'd say. Now I'm gonna season it with kosher salt, of course, some black pepper, dried parsley, and ginger powder, just a little bit, as well as 1 egg. I'm going to mix that all really well, and it's time to stuff it inside the chicken. And actually, this is quite a messy job, I'd say. And you don't want to stuff it too full, according to Mrs. Greenbaum. You just want to stuff it just right. I have no idea what that is. And I'm going to truss the chicken with a very period inauthentic silicone ring before seasoning the outside of the chicken with just salt and black pepper and rubbing it in. Now let's prepare the sweet potatoes, which I'm going to peel and then slice lengthwise in about 1/2 inch pieces, so 1/2 inch slices, and those are going to be seasoned with kosher salt. Now let's dredge the chicken all over generously with flour, and I'm going to toss the sweet potatoes with the kosher salt, as well as toss it with the excess flour. Mrs. Greenbaum didn't say to do that, but I think, the flour is gonna burn if I don't mix it into the sweet potatoes. And it's going to roast for 1.5 hours in my halogen bulb oven until it's lovely and the chicken is just like falling off the bone. It's gorgeous. Anyway, I'm going to make gravy by sauteing the rest of the onions, finely minced, diced, with the gravy from the chicken, a dash of lemon juice. It's really good gravy. So let's plate everything up. So we had the roast chicken with stuffing and sweet potatoes and gravy for dinner. It was really delicious and satisfying, full of flavor from the very simple ingredients like kosher salt, black pepper, onion. There was like a strong onion aroma, which we absolutely love. So do give this a try. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I just love traveling back in time to explore vintage recipes. Bye!